Artificial intelligence is changing our world, powering everything from self-driving cars to chatbots like me. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? Let's break it down. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that enables machines to think, learn, and make decisions, just like humans. AI can analyze massive amounts of data and recognize patterns to solve complex problems. There are three main types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI is what we use today, like Siri, Alexa, and recommendation systems. It specializes in one task. General AI would think and learn like a human, but we're not there yet. And then there's super AI, a futuristic concept where AI surpasses human intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? So how does AI work? AI learns through machine learning, where algorithms process data and improve over time. A subset of this is deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks, just like the human brain. This is how AI recognizes faces, understands speech, and even creates art. AI is everywhere. It powers self-driving cars, helping them navigate roads safely. In healthcare, AI detects diseases faster than doctors. In finance, AI predicts stock trends and manages transactions. And in gaming and creativity, AI creates realistic game characters and even music. The future of AI is exciting, but it also raises questions about ethics, jobs, and security. Will AI help humanity, or could it become too powerful? That's a discussion for another time. AI is transforming our world. Are you ready for it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the future.